Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our online class. So we'll see another problem on Stokes theorem. In this video, we'll discuss another problem on Stokes theorem. See here, verify Stokes theorem for f bar is equal to 2x minus y I bar minus yz square j bar minus y square z k bar over the upper half surface of the sphere. Over the upper half surface of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1, bounded by the projection of xy plane. Projection of xy plane. Projection of xy plane means z is equal to 0. 1 second, ma. So overlighting. Equal to 0, correct? So how to solve this one? So first of all, definition of Stokes theorem. By the definition of Stokes theorem, circle integral C f bar dot dr bar is equal to what? Integral S curly f bar dot n bar ds, correct? To solve this, first what is given here? Given f bar, what f bar ma? 2x minus y I bar minus yz square j bar minus y square z k bar, correct? This is the given here. The boundary C of S is a circle in xy plane. Xy plane mein z is equal to 0. So substitute z is equal to 0. What I get here? X square plus y square is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0 in xy plane. In xy plane, z is equal to 0. Correct? In xy plane, z is equal to 0. So I get to x square plus y square is equal to 1, z is equal to 0. Like previous problem only. So how to solve this one? Let x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta. So dx is minus sin theta d theta, dy is cos theta d theta ma, and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Correct? Now substitute these all values over here. So if I substitute these all values, so what I get here? First let r bar. Next what we have to find? R bar. No, let r bar is equal to x I bar plus y j bar plus z k bar, and dr bar what it becomes? Dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. Now we have to verify LHS is equal to RHS. Take LHS ma, LHS is equal to what? Circle integral C f bar dot dr bar. So that means circle integral C, I'm solving directly ma, f bar dot dr bar, I bar dot I bar 1. I get here 2x minus y dx. Directly I'm solving j bar dot j bar 1 minus yz square dy, k bar dot k bar 1 minus y square z dz, minus y square z dz I got. So now here z is equal to 0, so dz is also 0. So therefore what I get here? Circle integral C 2x minus y into dx. So this part is 0 and this part is also got 0 mark. Okay, now substitute x value and y value and dx value and integrate here, you will get the left hand side value. Now see here, so if I substitute here, so therefore this is equal to, we have to change in terms of theta. Theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi 2x. What is x value ma? Cos theta minus y. What is y value? Sin theta into dx. What is dx ma? Minus sin theta d theta. What is dx here? Minus sin theta d theta. Now theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi, multiply by minus sin theta, minus into minus plus, I get sin square theta. So minus 2 cos theta sin theta, I get 2 cos theta sin theta I get. So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Then here minus 2 sin theta cos theta is what? Sin 2 theta into d theta. Okay. So see, trigonometry, so many formulas we have to use here. Okay. Now if I integrate here, so 1 by 2 is stay outside ma. Integration of 1 is theta minus cos 2 theta integration sin 2 theta by 2 minus sin 2 theta integration is what? Minus cos 2 theta, minus of minus plus here cos 2 theta by 2. Limits are 0 to 2 pi. Limits are 0 to 2 pi I get here, correct? So if I substitute upper limit 2 pi, it's coming here. Right. If I substitute upper limit 2 pi, what I get here? 1 by 2, 2 pi. Sin 4 pi is 0. Plus cos 4 pi by 2 minus, if I substitute lower limit 0, 0 and 0, cos 0 is 1, I get 1 by 2. So if I simplify this, 2 and 2 get cancelled ma, pi, cos 4 pi is how much? Plus 1, so plus 1 by 2, and here minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 get cancelled. I got the value is how much? Pi. So LHS I got pi. Left hand side value, how much I got ma? I got pi. Understand here? See, first you have to write statement curly f bar by Stokes theorem. By Stokes theorem, integral C curly f bar dot n bar ds. Integral C f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral S curly f bar dot n bar ds. Then write f bar and let r bar then dr bar. So it's a circular disk in xy plane projection. So z is equal to 0. To solve this one, let x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta. Find the value of dx, dy. Then here left hand side f bar dot dr bar. So we got this z is 0, dz is 0. So these two parts will get 0. Then substitute x value, y value, dx value. So the full problem converted in terms of theta. Because line integral we have to change in only any one variable. Okay. So sin theta, cos theta, full problem converted in terms of theta. Right. So now multiply here sin minus into minus plus. Minus 2 cos theta sin square theta will give you 1 minus cos theta by 2. So 2 sin theta cos theta will give you sin 2 theta. Then integrate here, substitute the limits, you got this value pi. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of right hand side. Okay, now see. So to find right hand side, RHS, what is RHS here? RHS is equal to integral S curl f bar dot n bar ds. Curl f bar dot n bar ds, correct? So first to find out here, curl f bar, what we have to find here first? Curl f bar we have to find. Okay, so now curl f bar is equal to del cross f bar, that is equal to mod I bar j bar k bar dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. So f bar is what? 2x minus y, then minus yz square and minus y square z. Minus yz square and minus y square z, correct? So that is the value of f bar. Now, so therefore this is equal to I bar, this row, this column we have to leave. With respect to y square is what? 2y, I get minus 2yz, minus with respect to z, minus 2yz, minus of minus plus 2yz, minus j bar, this row, this column, with respect to x 0, with respect to z 0, plus k bar, this row, this column, with respect to x 0, minus with respect to y, minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. So minus 2yz plus 2yz get cancel, 0, 0, I got k bar. So curly f bar, how much I got here? I got k bar, correct ma? Now here ds is equal to dx dy and n bar is equal to what? K bar. N bar is equal k bar. And limits of x and y we have to find. So from here y is changing from 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. Y is changing from 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. If I take y is equal to 0, x is changing from 0 to 1. If I take, it's not coming, right? If I take x is equal to 0, if I take y is equal to 0, then x is changing from 0 to 1. Okay, now you have to find LHS. Okay, substitute these are all values. 1 second. So substitute these all values. If I substitute here, so RHS is equal to, what is RHS here? RHS is equal to double integral x is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. Limits are x and y. Y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. Then del cross f bar, how much I got? K bar. Dot n bar is k bar. ds is what? Dx dy. Dx is what? Dx and dy. So k bar dot k bar 1. So what I get here? X is equal to 0 to 1. Y is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. Dx dy I got. Dx dy I got. So first integrate with respect to y. So what I get here? X is equal to 0 to 1. Dy integration is y. Limits are 0 to square root of 1 minus x square into dx. So therefore this is equal to x is equal to 0 to 1. Upper limit square root of 1 minus x square. Lower limit is 0. Right? So this is in the form of square root of, integration of square root of a square minus x square. Square root of a square minus x square integration. Acha, here it is in okay. So now here, so therefore this is equal to integration of square root of a square minus x square will give you x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by 2. So limits are 0 to 1. Sin inverse x limits are 0 to 1. So if I substitute upper limit 1, I get upper limit 1 into 1 minus 1, 0, 0. Sin inverse 1 is what? Pi by 2. So 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 is what? Pi by 2, right? So lower limit 0, 0, and 0 will get here 0. So total value is how much? Pi by 4. So this is a one part of the projection. Then 4 parts to total RHS, how much we get here? So therefore RHS is equal to 4 double integral S curl F bar dot n bar ds. So that means 4 into pi by 4. 4 get cancelled, I get pi. 4 get cancelled, I get 4. Okay, at last, so it's a 4 into, you have to multiply by 4 projection. So therefore 4 into pi by 4 will give you pi. So this is the value of RHS. So therefore at the end, what we have to write, LHS is equal to RHS. So Stokes theorem is verified. At the end, what we have to write, LHS is equal to RHS. Stokes theorem is verified. Understand here? So like this, you have to find the integration. So it's not covering total. Right. RHS is equal. Okay. So limits we calculated, we substituted here and we integrated here. So we got pi by 4. So projection in 4 parts. So therefore 4 into pi by 4 you have to do. So we'll get 4 pi. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Stokes theorem is verified. Like this, you have to simplify using Stokes theorem to the given problem. Okay, just go through this problem. This one also very important problem, and this one is also expected question. Okay, if you have a free time, go through these Green's theorem problems, Stokes theorem problems, as well as Gauss. Basically these all theorems are very lengthy problems. Okay, so Gauss also very lengthy problem. So what is my sincere advice? If you get a Gauss problem, you will leave it for choice. Why? Because it will take very lengthy. If you start solving this problem, it will take minimum 45 minutes, then it will take a lot of time, correct? So try to solve less lengthy problems quickly, so that you will get you can write all the problems in the exam. Okay, so this is the problem on Stokes theorem. So problem